Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word organismic. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The biologist studied the interactions of all the living organisms within the ecosystem using an organismic approach. Organismic refers to a perspective or approach that focuses on viewing organisms as integrated systems, studying their interactions and behavior holistically. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.